If you're just finishing up grade 11, here's exactly what you need to be doing right now to get ready for university admissions in Canada. My name is Jason Yee, this is Admission Prep, and we help students like you prepare and plan and execute applying to university so that you can get into Canada's most competitive programs. Now in Canada, sometimes people think that you start the application process in grade 12, but the truth is that it actually starts a few years before that. And the reason for that is if you have the right preparation steps, then grade 12 doesn't need to be chaos. In fact, it can be very organized and simple to execute. Now, I didn't say easy to execute, I said simple, which is different from the chaos that most grade 12 students have. So let me walk you through what that typically looks like. Most of the time, students roll into grade 12. They are thinking a little bit about university admissions, but they are just kind of getting settled into the year. And around October, November, they start thinking about university admissions and they think, isn't that coming up soon? They look at a deadline and they realize that a few have actually already gone past for early admission and some of the major scholarships. Then they start to freak out about it and they wonder things like, should I be applying to early admission? When do I need to get started on all this? And they're doing a lot of thinking, but not a lot of doing. And usually it's because they don't fully know what to do. But then as those January, February deadlines start to loom, and that's usually around end of November, early December. By the way, at this point, you've probably missed a few of early deadlines. Well, now you're in that last minute buckle down and panic mode. And so you're looking at the applications and you're starting to write them, but you're writing them from scratch. Then you head into winter break and your family might be going on vacation or you might want to spend time with friends and family, but now you're thinking only about your university applications. Then you come back from winter break and exactly when the applications are closing, the deadlines, you're also doing finals. And so it's all piled in all at once. And you're trying to rush to get something done that really could have been planned for and prepared for. Now, of course, I'm not talking about applications where you just have to submit your transcripts. I'm talking about ones where you have a supplemental, maybe a video interview, maybe a written component, maybe a live written component. Those would be programs like Western Ivy, Queen's Commerce, Queen's Health Science, McMaster Health Science, U of T Rotman, all of UBC. So schools like these and programs like these have this, and this is the pattern that we typically see with grade 12s. And this panic doesn't allow you to put your best step forward. And this panic doesn't allow you to put your best foot forward. So here is what you want to do instead. Now, if you're in grade 11, we can't do a wholesale rebuild of your extracurricular profile. You have to do an honest assessment of where you currently are and look to elevate one or two things before the end of the year. And the reason being is it's great to do things in the summer, but typically, not always, typically schools are looking to have a counselor or teacher recommendation, and it typically looks good if you have a teacher or counselor as your reference or your referee, as schools call them. And so if you can take something that you're already doing and elevate it from a member role to maybe taking on a little bit of leadership or something that you could start before the end of the year, then that's what you want to aim to do. Now, I'm not suggesting that you start a whole new thing because time's a ticking and you probably don't have time to actually go and start a whole new thing. So that's why you want to take stock of where you're currently at, see if you can add or tweak that extracurricular activity to elevate it a little bit as you head into the summer. Now, into the summer, we like to suggest that students do two things. One is create a brag sheet. Now, the brag sheet is basically a list of all your achievements, all your extracurriculars, everything that you've done. And then you're actually going to want to structure it in something called the STAR structure, which is situation, task, action, result. And we have a second R that is some programs that I won't get into in this video, but starting to structure that so you have this ready-made list of things that you can pull from. It's like buying all the ingredients before you start baking. You want to have them all there so when it's time for the sugar and the flour and the milk and the eggs, you have them all there and you can start baking or cooking, if you will. Now, once you have that library or that pantry full of ingredients, then we want to start pre-drafting our applications. Now, it's true that some applications are going to change year to year, but the truth is that most prompts and questions are going to end up pulling from the same 2 to 5 or maybe up to 10 experiences. So what you can begin doing is you can take your brag sheet and start to flesh out the different things that you did within those so that they become a bit more detailed. Now, it's super easy. If you're going to apply to UBC, it's pretty much the same questions every single year. So in that case, you can be pre-writing that one. If you're applying to Western Ivy, same thing. So there are certain programs that have questions that generally repeat that you can actually begin to pre-draft. And you want to do all of this before school hits. And the reason being is as soon as school hits, you need to be focused on grades and applying. So if you can have all of that pre-work done, then you are in a really good spot. Now, we've learned this because we've helped thousands of students make this preparation journey, and it's really critical that you take those steps and do them early because it can save you so much headache in grade 12, which will end up improving your odds of actually getting into the program that you want to get into. And what's sad is that some students that have great extracurricular profiles and great grades, because they're panicked last minute, end up missing out on a program that they really should get into. And so if you would like help with that, that's what we do at Admission Prep. Click the link and you can find out how we can help you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like more admissions tips, then make sure to subscribe and follow along for more info. Thanks for watching.